Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about paragraph tag and HTML. So we will discuss about paragraph tag in HTML. So let's create a file called paragraph tag.html, right? So in this, I will write HTML5 and I will take basic structure of HTML and the title I will write explanation of paragraph tags, paragraph tag in the HTML5. Okay. So for example, if I write key, so which means paragraph tag, if I write anything, so this is a para, paragraph tag. So this is a paragraph tag. And for example, I will write another p tag. I will write another p tag. So this is another paragraph tag, right? So if I print like this, so it has to print line by line, right? So the first line is this is a paragraph tag, and the second line should be this is another paragraph tag. Let's see. See, we can see, right? We can see. So in this way, we can write like each paragraph tag will be separated by the line. So each paragraph will be printed on the new line. So we can say each line, like each p tag will be printed on the next line, not on the same line. So, and after that, for example, in p tag, I have to write like this paragraph contains 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 a lot of lines. Like I will see. I have so I have written this paragraph contains a lots of lines, and I will write the sentence in the next line. I will write the sentence in the next line in the source code, but the browser ignores it. So see, for example, I have written 3 lines, right, in the paragraph tag. But if I run this program, all the lines will be come under one line. See, let's refresh it. See, we got it in the one line. We got it in the one line, which means this paragraph contains lot of lines in the source code, but the browser ignores it. So I hope you understand. You have a lot of lines, but the browser, because of that size or length, the sentence will be on one line. It's based upon your like size of the browser. It will be changes. And for example, in p tag, I have written some lines. This is paragraph contains. So I'll give some spaces here. Some spaces, a lot of spaces. And I have like we are having the lot of space in the source code, source, and I'll give some space and I'll write code here, right? But browser ignores it. Browser ignores it. So see, we are having a lot of spaces, right? Here we are having space. Here we are having space, and here also we are having space. But when you write the content in the paragraph tag, and when you have some space in it, then like browser will ignore the spaces. Browser will ignore those spaces and give the sentence. Let's refresh it. See, we got the same sentence, but without the spaces. Without the spaces, which means it will ignore the spaces. It will ignore the spaces. So I hope you understand. So if you write a number of lines, but the browser will ignore it. And if you have a lot of spaces in your paragraph, it will also ignored by the browser. So I hope you understand. And next one is we are having, for example, h1 tag. So this is heading. So I have written the h1 tag, and after that I will write the p tag. I will write the p tag. So like I will write, I am Herman, and I will give some exclamation marks. And here I will write HR. HR means it is a horizontal line. It is a horizontal horizontal line which will divides divides which will divides the two, like two different statements. Two different statements in the HTML. So I hope you understand. So HR will, it is a horizontal line which will separates the two lines. And I'll just copy this line and I'll just paste it. And here I'll use h2 tag here. And here also I'll use h2 tag. And here I'll use Captain Jack's Sparrow. So I hope you understand. Captain Jack's Sparrow. And just save it and go to the browser and click on F5 or this. You can go to the browser here and just refresh it here. See, this is the horizontal line, right? This is the horizontal line which the HR specified. HR means it is a horizontal line. So this is h1 tag and this is the h2 tag and this is the paragraph tag. That's it. I hope you understand. And I will separate the line with the HR. So HR will be not having the end tag. HR will not having the end tag. So I'll specify the HR tag here, and now I will write a paragraph tag. The paragraph tag here. We are discussing about the paragraph paragraph tag, and I will use here BR tag. So what is BR tag? It is a break tag, which will the whatever the content which you write after the BR tag will be displayed on the next line. Will be displayed on the next line, which is dot out by the actual. See, now we can see it is on the next line. So which is helpful in like we are using the br like br tag, right? Br tag. So it's the break tag which is helpful in breaking the sentence into two parts. So whenever you write the br tag here, right? So that sentence onwards, it will come on the next line. See here, we have written br tag, right? So after that, whatever the sentence will be displayed on the next line, on the new line, on the new line. So I hope you understand. And I'll specify again HR tag here. And here I will write P tag. And I will write some poem here. Johnny, Papa, eating sugar, no Papa, telling lies, no Papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha, right? So this is a poem, right? This is a poem. For example, if I print like this, will it be printed same in the output? No, right? Let's see. It will not print because it will treat it as the sentence. It will print on the same line. So to print it like a poem, we are having another tag is pre-formatted tag. Pre Pre-formatted tag. We are having pre-formatted tag. So I'll just comment it, and here I will use it, and I will write picture tag here. So here I will write pre-formatted tag here, and I will just copy this poem here, and I will paste it here. So now see, let's save it and go to the Chrome browser and refresh it. See, we got the same poem, right? We got the same poem. So by using pre-formatted tag, so whatever the sentence which you have written, the same thing will be printed on the output. The same thing will be printed on the output. So that's it, friends. So this is all about paragraph tags. So in this we have discussed about p tag and br tag, break tag, and the next one is like horizontal tag, like horizontal line tag, and finally we have discussed about pre-formatted text tag. So I hope you understand all these things, and if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.